हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। वेलकम टू कॉलेज बाज़ार। काफ़ी टाइम से मैं कॉलेज के काम में बिजी था, तो मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिल पाया एक वीडियो बनाने का। रिसेंटली मैंने एक एरर को नोट किया है कि मैंने गिटहब पे भी देखा, गूगल पे देखा और यूट्यूब पे भी कहीं पे इसका कोई एग्जैक्ट सोल्यूशन नहीं मिला है। और ये जो प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, ये एक पाइथन लाइब्रेरी पाईऑडियो को करके आ रही है। तो मैंने काफ़ी देखा यार, यूट्यूब पे भी देखा, कहीं पे इसका कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं मिला है। और ख़ास करके जो ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये पता नहीं पता नहीं क्यों आती है। विंडोज़ पे भी आती है और मैक पे भी आती है। लेकिन विंडोज़ में हमारे पास एक ऑप्शन होता है कि हम कोई थर्ड पार्टी साइट से एक व्हील डाउनलोड कर लें और उसके बाद उसे यूज़ कर लें। लेकिन जो हमारे मैक पे सारे सोल्यूशंस काम नहीं करते, तो क्या करें यार। सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि मैक पे अगर आपको पाईऑडियो चलाना है, एक पाइथन लाइब्रेरी है, तो सबसे पहले उसके लिए पोर्ट ऑडियो होना चाहिए ज़रूरी। तो हमारे पास एक पैकेज मैनेजर होता है ब्रू करके, तो हम ब्रू की हेल्प से पाईऑडियो को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। मतलब पोर्ट ऑडियो को डाउनलोड किया, उसके बाद पिप इंस्टॉल पाईऑडियो लिखा, तो वो इंस्टॉल हो जाना चाहिए, जैसे कि गूगल पे बताया जाता है इस चीज़ का सल्यूशन। लेकिन ये M1 मैक्स पर ये चीज़ काम नहीं कर रही है। आई डोंट नो वाई, कोई सॉफ्टवेयर प्रॉब्लम होगी और ये बग अभी तक फिक्स नहीं किया गया है। तो मैं भी ऐसे ही ढूंढ रहा था यार, मेरे को पूरा एक दिन लगा इसको समझते समझते। तो मैंने बोला क्यों ना इस पर एक वीडियो बना दी जाए कि हमारे काफ़ी भाई लोग देख रहे होंगे, भाई बहन लोग कोई भी देख रहे होंगे कि यार कैसे इस एरर को सॉल्व किया जाए। सो यार कुछ नहीं करना, मैं एकदम क्लियर करके बताऊँगा कि इसे कैसे इंस्टॉल करना है। सो चलते हैं यार स्क्रीन एंड वील गो टू VS Code and we'll open a new terminal and we will run a command with phrase req.requirement.txt. It will generate a requirement.txt file. I hope you are familiar with the command, and in this requirement.txt it will show the name of libraries, Python libraries installed in the Python interpreter. So here is Pyaudio. I hope it is clearly visible to you. And I'll make one more program, new.py, and here we'll import Pyaudio and we'll run this in the terminal. And here you can see it is giving us no error. It means I have installed Pyaudio in my laptop. So you guys are asking about your laptop's configuration. So here you can see about this Mac, and it is Mac OS BigSur, and I am having the latest version 11.5.2, and it's MacBook Air M1 2020. Means I am able to install Pyaudio on my system, and I will show you how you can do it. For this Pyaudio, first we need to install a file which name is portaudio. Okay, so how do you go about this? So you need to press command space, then you need to go on terminal and you have to write brew install port audio. I have already installed it, so you have to do the same thing. So it was giving me warning that it is already installed and up to date. To reinstall, press this command. Okay, I have already installed brew. You need not to do the same thing again and again. Now what you need to do, the second step is very important. I have something in my check.py. This is the command that is needed to install the Pyaudio library. It is pip install Pyaudio. This is a normal command. There is something in between. You have to note down, I think. And I will paste all this in the description, so you can check out from there, or in the first comment I will post it down. So what you need to do is pip install ---- global option. Everything is same from here. After that, from this slash to this slash to include, you have to check for the path, because in every computer there is different paths where homebrew is installed. So here also, from this option opt to this liv option, you have to give the path of your homebrew, and I will show you how you can find the path of homebrew. We need to find the path of portaudio, as I have shown here. First you need to install the portaudio, then we need to find out the path of the portaudio in our laptop or PC, whatever the hell you are using. Okay, so copy that command, go to the terminal, press command space, go to the terminal. If you don't know the shortcuts of MacBook, then you should check out my video. I have previously made a video on all the commands that is used on MacBook, so you can find that out. So I have pasted that command. I will press return, then it will ask for a password, then I will enter the password, and then I will press return, and then it will do some processing. It will take a lot of time than you are expecting. Just joking yaar. It will take around less than 1 minute actually. So you need not to worry. Okay. But it will take some time. It will not just happen instantly. Wait. So operation not performed, ye also. So here we are getting the two paths, and we have to make the third command in order to proceed further to install the Pyaudio library. So we have done this second step. Then we need to write down the command. The format is like this. We have to from -i this path, we have to change this path with our computer's path, because this path is different in every laptop, every PC. So to proceed further, I'll make a copy of this. I hope it is okay. So what we will do, we will remove first the path. Okay, then we will enter the path from here. We need to copy like this. And we have to write in the above format. Like in the last there is include, and just before it there is 19.7.0. In the same order we have to write. So we'll paste it, and it's done. Then in the -l path, you have to same remove the path, and again paste the same thing that you have copied, and just because here is lopt homebrew seller portaudio 19.7.0, and then there is liv. After 19.7.0 you have to write like this, and done. Your command is ready. So go and copy it. Okay. So now what we need to create a virtual environment for this to show you how all these things work. So what we'll do is we will go to the terminal, new terminal. We'll write here virtual env, and then we will write Sumit. My virtual environment name is Sumit, or we can say college bus. Right. Then we need to activate the college bus. I'll do this. We need to write source source college bus bin and then activate. It's activated here, you can see, and we can choose the college bus, and I will run a command phrase requirement.txt as I have run before in my main interpreter, and now I will run this command in my virtual environment that's name is college bus, and file requirement.txt is generated and it's empty. It's obvious it's empty because I am creating a new virtual environment. So here I will paste my command. Now I will paste my command to install Pyaudio. So what's the command? Here I have written a command. I need to just copy it out, and I think we have already copied the command, so no need to waste the time. Go here and paste it and then press enter. Oh, it's done. Are you happy now? It's done. Successfully installed Pyaudio. Are you guys happy? यार मेरे को तो मतलब क्या बोले यार, मेरा काफ़ी टाइम वेस्ट हुआ इसके चक्कर में और मैंने आपको ऐसे ही बता दिया. So guys, if you like the video, obviously you like the video, so do like, do share, do subscribe with your friends. Let's end the video.